Hello guys, this is P. Suarez coming at you again with another video. This video is gonna be a review of a pocket knife that was sent to me by my friends at KUBEY. They got me this amazing pocket knife. Look at that, isn't it beautiful? Really nice flipper assisted pocket knife. Feels really solid. It opens and closes really easy. It's not spring assisted. It just has the flipper back here and a super soft and smooth pivot here that allows you to open it really easy. So you just have to give it a little flick with your finger and it opens. You can also use this thumb hole right here for opening. No problem. It has no jiggle right here. That's important. It's a solid knife. Has this really convenient pocket clip, so you can put it in your pocket like this. Have it right at hand when you need it. I've been carrying this knife for about a week now, and I have to say I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. For a $20 knife, this is an amazing value. Let me show you how well it performs. You can carve. It comes razor sharp out of the box. Now mind you, this is very hard seasoned wood, but it feels solid, it feels sharp. Look at that. Amazing. And it looks so cool. Look at the scales on this thing. These are G10 plastic scales, texturized. Gives you a really nice grip, non-slip grip. It feels so good in your hand. This is tough wood, man. Bone dry. Well, see how well it batons. Have another piece of wood here, and we'll test it. This is a really big piece of wood here. I don't know if it'll do a good job or not. It's not supposed to, but we'll see. Look at that. No problem. This is amazing. Now you can only do this with a tough knife. That's what this is. A tough knife. Look at that. Let's see how well it does with this one. See? No problem. No problem whatsoever. Plating wood, batoning, you can handle it. The flipper has some really nice jimping for opening the blade. Really nice. It also has jimping back here, so that when you have the blade open, you can put your thumb here and really have control and apply pressure to your cut. It also has some jimping here on the back, which I've noticed helps when you're grabbing the knife with a full grip like this. It helps back here so it won't slip, as well as the jimping here. Look how it works. The flipper becomes the finger guard. That's a nice feature right there. Texture on the handle is amazing. The spine is rounded here, as you can see. Stainless steel mirror finish. Easy to clean. Easy to grab. easy to open. And you can do this quicker with some practice, you know. Boom, there's your knife right there. So when you order one, it comes in this nice box here. It says KUBEY, which is the brand. You open it up and there it is. So a pretty nice cardboard box if you're giving this as a gift. It looks pretty cool. As I said before, it has an assisted opening with this flipper right here. Liner lock. You simply move this piece here to one side and the knife closes. It's really smooth opening. You can see here how soft and smooth that is. It weighs 7 ounces. The overall length, when it's opened like this, it's 8.7 inches. The closed length is 4.3 inches. The blade length is 4 inches. And the thickness is 0.1 inches. The blade material is 9CR13 MOV stainless steel. The hardness on the Rockwell scale is 58 HRC. The handle is made of anti-slip G10 scales plastic. Really nice texturized scales here. It has a liner lock, as I said before, and a really nice and tough pocket clip. So this knife costs around $20. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below the video where you can find this knife on Amazon. And yeah, I like it. Thank you guys at KUBEY for sending me this awesome pocket knife. I'm gonna be very happy using it as my go-to EDC main blade. Thumbs up. I really like it.